escape the daily grind and create your own personal oasis with the Homedics Tabletop Fountain. This Asian-inspired masterpiece boasts 3 cascading tiers that bring the tranquility of a natural spring to life right in your home. Watch as the water gently flows, creating a symphony of calming sounds that will melt your stress away. The built-in pump ensures whisper-quiet operation and keeps the water sparkling clean, while the soft, illuminating light feature adds a touch of serenity to any room. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day, drift off to sleep faster, enhance your meditation practice, or simply create a relaxing ambience, the Homedics Tabletop Fountain has you covered. This compact wonder is the perfect addition to your office desk, living room, bedroom, or even your baby's nursery, offering a touch of zen wherever you need it most. Don't wait any longer to experience the transformative power of flowing water. Check the video description below where to buy them, link in description. Don't forget to subscribe for more gadgets videos.